I'm going to show you how to make an audiobook for your iPhone out of the chapters right here that I have for Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, and this will be the same for all of your other books. First, go into iTunes, and it should be the same on Windows and Mac. Create a playlist in the music tab. You don't have to name or anything. Then you're going to go to your audio files, make sure they're all selected, and drag them over to here. Make sure that they are all in sequential order, chapters 1 through 17. Then highlight everything, right click, go to Info, and go to Options. We're going to go ahead and click Remember Playback, and you're going to change Media Kind and go down to Audiobook, and then click OK. Go to Audiobooks, and now it's in Audiobooks. Go back to Music, and it's no longer in Music. That's the way they sort it now. So in Audiobooks, if you want to, you can delete this playlist. It doesn't really matter. So now we have Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Now all you got to do is sync your phone. Make sure whenever you sync it with the audiobooks or any audiobooks that you want to sync with it. And when you go into your phone, then you will see a Books app on your phone. And you just go into there, and it should see any audiobooks that you have on your phone, and anytime you close it and open it back up, it'll be right back where you left off.